Designed and tested by U.S. Navy SEALs to perform in the harshest of environments, rip shears will drastically reduce the critical time required to access and treat wound sites under multiple layers of clothing, equipment, and body armor. Just snip and rip. The Ripper unit is 100% made in the USA and will bolt onto any standard set of 7¼ inch trauma shears. It uses replaceable blades made from 440A surgical grade stainless steel. There are two technique points you need to remember when using rip shears. First is to pick your line. You want to avoid pockets whenever possible. Second is to start every rip with a snip of your trauma shears. Then insert the guide and pull down. Second is, while you're doing your initial searches, if you encounter a hole and you want to open a treatment window, simply insert your guide into the hole and pull down. This will allow you easier access to any wounds. Now let's see some other examples. Here we have a set of desert camis. You can see our medic start difficult cuts with a snip, and then he rips. See how easily he cuts through the material? And that if he ever gets to a snagging point, he simply will switch to the trauma shear portion of the unit. Easily transitioning between the two tools. First a snip, then a rip. See this demo as he goes right through leather. Another one with 3mm wetsuit. Here's a flight suit. Here our demonstration is on chemical, biological, and radiological equipment. See how easy it tears through the fabric. Simply pick your line, make your initial snip, and pull. Other applications would be ID bands in the hospital, seat belt removal, or bandages. Here we have a NARP dressing and a gauze dressing. See how easily the guide slides underneath the bandages for easy removal. We count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers of fabric. Other applications could be opening hard to open packages. Or boot removal. Note how easily the guide slides through this double knotted boot.
Rip shears.
If that wasn't impressive enough, see how the shears start to cut and the ripper easily rips through a 200-gram Danner boot to facilitate the boot removal.
Shears.
Our next demonstration is on a sports wrap. See how he slides the guide and then in a rocking motion removes it, much like opening a tin can. As the medic pulls up and away from the patient, it makes it much more comfortable. Rip shears, because when lives are measured in minutes, you have to make every second count. SHEARS.com.